Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today we're going to be installing the passenger side seat frame. So what we have here, these are two brackets. These are your pivot brackets, because on this passenger side, your seat frame is going to pivot up. That way you can get to this compartment. So these two brackets, we sell these as a pair. You can see they've got the little cutout here so that your seat frame can slide in and out. You've got a mounting hole. These are NOS originals. And then you've got the little chain links. This is the little hole for your chain to actually attach to your seat frame. So as you can see, you have these little pivot brackets here on the passenger side seat frame. These are gonna go right in here, and that's how they lock into place so that you can kind of pivot back and forth. Now this is a new body tub, so I don't have pre-existing holes. So what we've done is we went ahead and we put these onto the end and then set the seat frame down and lined it up the way that we wanted to. This is a black finish, black painted, primer coated body. So we took a silver Sharpie and laid it out, lined it up. Now let's take a look at what the backside looks like. So we're gonna end up having a little rubber mount that's gonna sit underneath this guy. That's gonna be the rear. And then this side over here actually sits up against the fender well. So we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, we've already made our marks here, lined up on either side where the holes are gonna be. We're gonna drill those holes. These are gonna be held in with bolts and nuts, and you're gonna put the nut on from the inside of this compartment because that's where you're gonna end up coming out. So we'll go ahead and make our drill holes, and we'll get these pivot brackets installed. We'll be right back with you. That's done. All right, so now what you're gonna do is, this is your compartment right here. You're going to run the bolt in and do the nut from the underside. So now we've got both sides in, held in place with the, we've got a bolt, lock washer, and nut. This hardware can be purchased along with these at Kaiser Willys. We'll go ahead and we'll close this back. We'll get our seat frame and see how it sits. So you'll go ahead and you'll slide these legs down into the pivot brackets, like so. Seat frame sits behind on this wheel well, like I said. And if you need to get into the tool compartment, you'll just raise the seat frame up, get to your tool compartment, and then when you're ready to go, you'll just lower it back down, and there it is. So we're gonna put a little mount behind here where this is gonna bolt to the floor, and then that's gonna rest just like that. So that's installing the passenger side seat on the CJ-2A. We'll get covers and cushions, and we'll put that on here in another video. But when you have a new body tub and you're looking to put a new seat frame into your vehicle, this is the passenger side seat frame. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.